Hey, this is Thomas Talon with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you this 2021 Bennington 23 RSR. This boat has the ocean blue paneling with the blackout package. Walk around and board from the back. This boat will have the Mercury 250 horsepower. This boat has the extended deck. Walking forward, you'll see this boat has the platinum silver Simtex upholstery with the diamond pleated accents. Portable cup holders with the table in the bow. This boat has the flip down armrests. Raised helm, electronic controls, power steering, Simrad for all your engine performance specs and GPS navigation, Rockford Fosgate upgraded stereo, all Benningtons come standard with a 10-foot bimini top. Boat has the bow filler seat option. Of course, it's in the stern in this video. For more information about this boat, please visit our website at MarineMax.com or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina location. Thank you.